Did not be that type. Go and look at it now. I don't want to argue over that, please, Facebook people. I don't want to argue over that. I'm talking. So, my people, I will just verbally say some few things. Join from where your wife stops this morning. Husband and wife supposed to be partnership.
I want you guys to call in. For those of you that think Monica is not qualified to be the president of Nigeria, I want you to call in to tell me what make you think that I am not qualified?
This is in Nigeria. You don't expect God to help you hold reign in August. That is absolutely, you are just expecting what?
English have nothing to do with your intelligence. If you are a lady, if you vote for me, 2019 as Nigeria president, I am going to be working with people with honesty, people with high intelligent people who know how to bring out things, who know how to deliver when you give them contracts. Do you know the most biggest problem in Nigeria? When
one Nigeria celebrity that was about to go to Kaduna Benue Church, and she was delayed, one was the other. She was feeling some kind of funny, and she still decided to go ahead. Her car broke down
and take them into a place whereby a white people will be coming back home. White people will be coming to our place to take asylum. I, Monica Ambrose, can do it.
For a job interview. When you got there, 5 of you are available for one seat, one employment, okay? And you already know, you ask the rest 4 of them, one have whatever degree, the other one have whatever.
We're talking about hypertension, high blood pressure. How you can manage? You have it. Okay, good, fine. It's dangerous. It can kill with the twinkle of an eyes.
Because I've lived here in the diaspora for up to 17 years now. It's not a very long time, but I've learned a lot. Why? Because I live in a country where
many women with hypertension these days, the main factor for hypertension after hereditary that I said, that you have it and know how to manage it. If you have it and know the don'ts and the do.
Can't you see even me, my trouble on Facebook has limits? Because I no longer have time. We just launched that name today.
It's in jeopardy. Our great country is in jeopardy because people that would have do something about it. They are all joking.
To avoid it, to limit the risk of hypertension. Many women with hypertension these days, the main factor for hypertension after hereditary that I said, that you can inherit it, is lineage something. The other main causes is stress. People who are stressed. And people who are stressed, do you know that it's because their eyes are sick?
Oh, I didn't say the audio. I wanted to play audio someone sent to me,
which they say is better.
I fetch him in a year, like blow him up like millions, billions. You know, it would be so. The business was so influential. The business was something.
I can take Nigeria out of this state of uncertainty to a better state where you guys will be very proud of.
But I tell you, that's absolutely lie.
Need your support to vote and to promote and to support us, NDP, Nigeria people in diaspora. Better hope, a better Nigeria will come from me. I will give you good road. Within 6 months that you sign me into the contract, I will make sure I give you good road. Your children, just like I said, think about a guy. NDP, here we go. NDP, here we go. NDP, Monica, Nigeria President 2019. Love you all for supporting me. Please share the video, and I'm ready for this. Okay? Don't analyze my English. I have everything that it takes to take you there. Okay? Don't bother for the English. That is just the language. Bye-bye.
Before you know, I go jam myself for the BG, you know?
Yes, we have the resources in Nigeria to provide it, and I can do it. Why? Because I've lived here in diaspora for up to 17 years now. It's not a very long time, but I've learned a lot. Why? Because I live in a country whereby when you come in, their system will bring you into something that will help you in life. All I have learned in Netherlands, I want to bring it back home as a presidential position. I want to run for a presidential seat of Nigeria 2019. Nigeria people in diaspora, I need Nigeria people in this in diaspora, I need your support.